Hello, my name is Alex Hagood. I'm a first-year medical student here at the Oklahoma State University College of Medicine. I'm also on Vassar's research team. Today, I will be talking about my team and I's research over the adherence to reporting guidelines across urology journals, preliminary results of a cross-sectional study. For introduction, guidelines improve the quality of research, and our team wanted to see how well urology journals mandate the use of specific guidelines when publishing papers from prospective authors. The aim of our study was to assess the instructions to authors of specific urology journals to determine their requirements of reporting guidelines for commonly used study designs, as well as the requirement of any clinical trial registration. For our methods, we used the 2021 Scopus Site Score tool, where we identified 94 different urology journals that we wanted to do our research on. For each of the specific 94 urology journals, we went to their website and found their specific instructions for authors page, where we identified any specifics regarding reporting guidelines that they have for their popular study designs, as proposed by the Enhancing the Quality and Transparency of Health Research Network, also commonly known as Equator. We also, for each of the journals, looked into their clinical trial registration requirements, each in duplicate fashion. Each journal was contacted to confirm any article types accepted or not accepted. We then followed up with these emails for 3 consecutive weeks until we either got no response or we got a response. If there was no response, we just assumed they accepted all of them. For our descriptive statistics were calculated using the Stata 17.0 to summarize all of our data. For the results, we found, and it showed, that out of all 94 urology journals that we looked at, less than 1/3 even mentioned Equator in their instructions to authors page. We've also found that the highest adhered guideline was Consort, with 52.7% of their journals either recommending or requiring it for their publication to their specific journal. The lowest adhered guideline was found to be Quorum, which was at 7.6% adherence. All other investigated guidelines fell far below 50% adherence. For clinical trial registration, it was not required by 4.3%, not mentioned by 38%, recommended by 19%, and required by 38% of the journals. The conclusion to our study is that urology journals do not properly adhere to reporting guidelines and inconsistently require clinical trial registration. We find that it's very important to follow guidelines in order to enhance the quality of research reporting, to promote transparency and prevent reporting bias. We suggest that urology journals consider adopting stricter reporting guideline policies and improve the rate at which clinical trial registration is required. Here is a list of our references with the QR form, and we thank you as a team for coming and listening to our research.